Nikki the Domestic Diva here, and I have a tip here that I want to use tonight that involves a dryer sheet for a dirty, burnt on, stuck on pan. Look at that. I did some potatoes and I thought this is a perfect tip. So I'm going to try this out. They say if you get one of these dryer sheets, which doesn't matter what brand you use, but you place it inside of the dirty pan, you fill it with water. Just fill it with water. And the trick is you let it sit overnight. So we're going to let it sit overnight and see how easy it is to clean it in the morning. I'm back and we're going to check out this pan. I think that dryer sheet did its thing. Look how all that stuff just lifted off overnight. Don't have to really do that much work at all now. I've just got to pour it down the sink and clean it out. Shouldn't be any problem. Check that out. Everything peels right off. I like that tip. Go ahead and try it. Thanks.